Hello world, this is Sunil Babbar, international filmmaker from India working internationally in America, Mauritius and Malta. At the moment I am in Bombay, Bollywood, you know very well. So what I'm doing at this moment, I am doing actually a pageant. That's a German international pageant which is named as Miss Glamour Faces World India 2017 that we are doing at Bollywood Adda. It's a place exactly in the hub. That's the hub center of actually the Bollywood. So what we are doing, we are going to choose one girl, one Indian girl from here who will be titled as Miss India, and she will be participating in the world finale, which is going to happen in Berlin on 11th of March 2018. She will be representing India amongst 50 girls uh, in that pageant. So my team here, I have a very, very esteemed team. From Germany, it is Gunter Weg. Hi, Gunter. I'm happy to be associated with you. And here I have my esteemed team. On my right is Mr. Ayub Khan. He's a filmmaker, film director, a very senior filmmaker and a distributor. So what I'm going to ask him about this show. Ayub साहब क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
सर हम जैसा कि आपने भी बताया, मैं भी आपका साथ दे रहा हूं कि एक अच्छी सी खूबसूरत सी लड़की चुन के हम जर्मनी भेजें, जाके हमारे हिंदुस्तान का नाम रोशन करे और दुनिया को ये पता चले कि हिंदुस्तान में भी बहुत खूबसूरत लोग बसते हैं। और अगर हमारी चॉइस की लड़की मिल गई तो मैं उसे अपनी फिल्म में ब्रेक भी दे सकता हूँ। मेरी फिल्म का नाम संगम द क्लैश ऑफ हार्ट्स और लड़की का डबल रोल है। अगर लड़की अच्छी मिल गई तो मेरा भी काम हो जाएगा और उसका भी काम हो जाएगा।
बहुत मुबारक हो आपको।
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, put your hands together for Miss Glamour Faces World 2017. Come on, can I hear the clap?
Sumitra Predikalji to ask a question to number 50.
Chance to change one thing in the world.
If there's one thing that I would like to change in the world is child labor, because I've been seeing that in train, people selling earrings, bangles, and they have been hit by many people in the local train. 2 days back, this incident happened in Bandra station, where a small 4 to 5 years guy was selling earrings and bangles, and at Bandra station, the police came in and they just threw all the items which they had outside the station, and he was hit very badly. So this is the one thing I would like to change, that each and every one in the world should get education rather than working for their parents for money. And this is all because of some parents who are greedy and want their children to work, and they live a lavish life by doing that. Thank you.
So, Satyendra, say you have just won $1 billion, or rather, we'll give you in euros. You get more. And what would you continue to do in terms of your profession, and in terms of passion, and in terms of the social cause? $1 billion, 1 billion euros, sorry.
Thank you so much, sir, for the wonderful question. If I get euros, that is a huge amount. First of all, I'll say charity begins at home. So, firstly, I will, as I told in my introduction, I run my own NGO. Now also, I'm doing it from my home only. So, rather than two, I guess then I will be having 2 lakhs kids whom I can help. और हमारी ये जो जनता है, हमारे ये जो बच्चे हैं, they are only the future of our country. So I guess if I start helping them, that will help me economically, financially also, as you said, because that is my passion as well. Apart from acting, I love helping people.
How are we treated? How are we what is our condition right now in this world? And how can we improve in our own condition right now?
आज मैं चाहती हूँ सबकी कंडीशन बहुत अच्छी रहे। मैं सबके लिए प्रे करती हूँ और मैं चाहती हूँ सारे लोग इंसानियत का फर्ज निभाएं, किसी से द्वेष भावना ना रखें, नफरत ना रखें, सबकी कामयाबी में पूरा साथ दें, तो आबादी बहुत अच्छी रहेगी और सब हैप्पी रहेंगे। शुक्रिया।
What you will do for the awareness and growth of the health system of India?
Alright, if I'm doing a contest, and of course, if I am doing a contest, that does mean that I am at that level, that I am having my own like shows and performances and concerts. And of course, we raise funds through the concerts, and since I'm a kid, I have been praying that you all must be knowing that in 2012, everyone used to say that it's going to be the end of the world. And every night I used to cry, I used to shed tears and tears that everyone's going to die, and I cannot really bear it. And I used to pray that may everyone get the strength and be kind and be amazing. And of course, then I'm going to do my own shows. Every part of my show, every 30% part of my shows and concerts and performances, it's going to go to those with the cancer, the one who are facing all those, health problem, cancer. There's so many other things, malnutrition, and we just say for human being, but there are other living beings, species as well. We should be adopting. There are so many animals. We go and purchase pets. Rather, why don't we adopt the ones on the streets? Yeah, that's it. That's it. What I had to say. Thank you.
How do you define simplicity?
My parents have taught me the most important quality of a human being is being human. So help others in whichever way possible. Maybe you're rich, millionaire, multi-millionaire, billionaire, whatever. But if some needy person comes in your life and if you do something for that person, you bring $1 million smile on the face of that person. And that gives a real inner joy, real happiness. I can see a lot of cameras around, and this is going to be worldwide. So I really feel, and I want to say to the world that India loves you and I love you all. And especially for German people, it's good to tag, and from India, it's namaste to all of you. I really want to go to Germany and spread peace, love, joy, and happiness to everyone's family, to throughout the world. I belong to a country of Buddha, and Buddha has spread this peace all over the world. So I want to do something where I can really bring a change in someone's